Hi, I'm Tyler Elliott with Elliott Remodeling, and in this segment I'm going to show you how to hang cabinets. The first step in hanging your cabinets is to measure the cabinets as well as the opening where you intend to hang the cabinets on your wall. Once you've measured and made sure that the cabinets will fit in their predetermined location, the second step is to make sure that the backer on the back of the cabinets is secure to the cabinets. This is going to be what you put your screw through into the studs that holds the cabinet up. Basically, all the way to the cabinet will be on this backer. Once the backer is secure and you know where you're going to hang your cabinets, the third step is to find the studs. This is also one of the most important steps. Once you find your studs, you can measure them from 16 inches on center out. What that means is your studs are 16 inches center on center apart from each other. Knowing this, you know where the next stud is going to be as soon as you find one stud. Once you find your studs, you're going to run screws through your backer board on the top of your cabinets into that stud all the way along until you run out of cabinet space. I'm Tyler Elliott with Elliott Remodeling, and that's how you hang cabinets.